Welcome and introducing Soundwave from Transformers. So the model converts. It can be a cassette tape or the robot. It comes with the sound brick. There are 1,505 pieces. It's set number 10358. It's from the Icons collection. It is 18 centimeters wide, 33 centimeters tall, or 7 inches wide and 13 inches tall. So you can put the cassette in the cassette player. Comes with 2 different cassettes. And you get many accessories to go with it, including a plaque. And this is the 3rd robot from Transformers and will complete my collection so far. There are 13 stickers. Build the Lego Transformers collection. So there's all 3. Soundwave, superior. Autobots, inferior. The Lego sound brick. Prepare for your building mission. From the Lego Icons design team. Bag 1, step 1. The original G1 Soundwave toy, released in 1984, came with Buzzsaw, a yellow and blackbird cassette. However, Laserbeak went on to feature more prominently in the animated series, making the red and black companion more famous. Ravage only ever speaks once in the animated series. In the episode More Than Meets the Eye Part 3, he relays information about an energy source to Megatron, which incidentally was an Autobot trap. The latch and button mechanism for Soundwave's cassette bay was among the first parts of the model to be developed and remained mostly unchanged from its initial form. Soundwave, Ravage, and Laserbeak all appear in the very first episode of The Transformers. The model's conversion is directly inspired by the engineering of the original toy. We added some additional steps and functions like the collapsing shin panels when adapting the design to Lego form. When Soundwave first appears in the Transformers pilot episode More Than Meets the Eye Part 1, he is present on Cybertron and takes on the form of a futuristic lamppost to spy on the Autobots. This model has a pretty good posability. There are double jointed elbows to allow the arms to articulate in a variety of positions. The stability of the build allows you to stand him up in many different poses. The weapon attached to his right hand stays pretty tight. And the play button is easily accessible both in the robot and the tape player forms. As for the look, the aesthetics, it resembles the original toy very accurately. The head looks especially accurate. The entire robot collapses into the cassette player neatly, giving a realistic look, and the model comes with a plaque for display. So the sound brick plays about 15 tracks. The tape bay pops open with the press of a button. You can transform the tapes into 2 other characters from the cartoon. So many functions. And for the building experience, I enjoyed completing one function of the model at a time. Each bag completed a new movable part. And the blend of bricks and Technic pieces is very clever. Most of the Technic parts are hidden with plates or tiles. As for the cost, it was $230 for only 1,505 pieces. You do get a sound brick. There are 3 robots to collect in the series, Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, and Soundwave, so it completes your collection. You get a tape player and a robot, depending on what you transform the model into. And overall, I was convinced to purchase this set because I love music. And I have the other 2, so it completed my collection. Thanks for watching.